Wisnu. My full name is Wisnu Aditya Saputra. My nickname Wisnu. I was born in 17 November in Bekasi, Taman Selatan. I have father and mother. My father worked as hostess. I live in Graham Lasti. I live three with father and mother. My hobby are football and games. I like car Toyota Supra. My favorite subject at school are IPS. And my favorite food are fried chicken. Well, I think it's enough for now. Thank you for your attention. Bye.